We are dying in Paris. How is it possible to not be allowed to install air conditioning in 2025? I mean, the French people are like, and ruin our beautiful Haussmannian buildings? You can stand a little bit of heat. Like when you breathe in the air, you feel it through the nostrils, how it's like hot air. I'm not joking. This is like, we could die. Somebody save us. How can you apply anything on this heat? Well, that I can help you with. Let's get into today's video. I've applied a ton of SPF. I've used this one, the one SPF 50 Invisible Sunscreen, probably like 20 minutes ago. So it's nice and like dry. All you see is just like a little bit of sweat. No, there's no sweat. It's just like a natural glow. In this heat, I have absolutely no desire of applying anything that I can feel. Like anything that I can feel on my face, I'm like, I just reject completely the idea of feeling anything on my skin right now. Dewy, something that is like sticky to my face. No, I just can't. I don't want to see any trace of makeup, but I want to look good. So you have two options. This is a very beautiful, very like easy breezy, breathable formula. It's from Saie. You could apply it like your moisturizer, right? All over the face. It's not going to have that glow like Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless filter. It's more, this is a gel texture like I've mentioned, and it has a beautiful natural glow. I could totally apply this all over my face, my neck, because in summer you want a little bit of that glow without the grease. I'm gonna apply this even on the eyelids because it's nice to have a little bit of glow on the eyelids. Something happened right here. I don't know when, I don't know how, but it's like I have a hole right here. Do you guys see? She's glowy but not greasy. Because the reason why I don't like anything that is greasy is this. It's like you have your hair down. Although who has their hair unattached in summer? Me. I do. I just don't like to put my hair in a ponytail unless I have like a beautiful glam on. But with the way I look right now, I feel like no, my hair needs to be down. So now that we agree that nobody loves to have their skin suffocated in makeup, I'm going to show you the best breathable formulas, the importance of certain formulas in humid environment. And I'm also going to give you some tips on how to maintain your skin fresh throughout the day. Okay, so this is, like I said, this is the only thing that I tolerate. The Summer Fridays skin tint. Because I feel like it's the most breathable, light, and it gives you just a pinch of coverage. This is shade number 2. I normally use shade number 4 when I have self-tan on, but I didn't bother with self-tan. So do you see it's really not much. It does even out the skin. It gives you the minimum amount of coverage, but most importantly, you don't feel this product and it makes you look a little bit better. So feeling a little bit better with just one product, it's a win for me. By the way, this is one of the best brushes for complexion ever created. God, I hope I'm not gonna put it on my top. I have it in black as well. For summer, I promise you, it's the best thing you're ever going to wear. It's just so versatile, works with everything. Skin tint is on, and we can still see that, well, the hair is crazy. We can still see that glow from the Saie product. Did I say I'm going to give you 2 options for this? Yes, I was about to give you 2 options, but of course I forgot to give you the second one. The second one would be this stick. You could use this for your body. You could use it for your face. But it's more like for certain areas. You're not going to apply this all over the face. Like, check this out. Look at this. You see? And then if I blend it, it's giving me that very, very natural looking glow. This is what this does. I find that this is like a multi-purpose product. You could also apply it on your eyelids. It looks really beautiful. Where this, I don't really like to apply it on the body. Saie is more gel. This is more like a cream oil. I'm going to use a pinch of this Makeup by Mario bronzing serum, and I'll be using the shade Light with this BK Beauty in 113. Again, that very light, breathable formula. I apply this on the cheeks, exactly where the sun would naturally hit my skin. Look at this, beautiful. And I don't have to worry about what's underneath because there's not much underneath. So I'm not disturbing the foundation or anything. And in case you have any blemishes, I'll show you how to cover them afterwards. But do you see, like, it just gives you that nice warmth. Same on the forehead. A little swipe on the nose as well. Then we're going to apply blush. And this is a red blush from Haus Labs. This is called Glassy Watermelon. And it's just like this juicy, fresh color for summer. I'm going to take this Hourglass brush, which I adore. And I always check the color on the back of my hand because I might have too much on my brush. It's better to load your brush with the product and then apply it on your face. I'm going to do the W shape. And there's a reason why first I'm applying the blush and then I'm gonna do the concealer. Do you guys have blush blindness yet? Because I didn't have it at first and now I'm hooked. Now I don't see it. I just don't see it. It's just never too much. Never too much, never too much, never too much. A little bit on the chin because it feels weird if it's just here, right? A little bit here. This is kind of like what I look like if I stay in the sun for a very long time. Now we're going to use concealer. And I still use the usual concealer because when it comes to my dark circles, I don't make any compromise. Listen, I do like to have them covered. I will use this BK Beauty A506. Starting with the inner corner, that's where I'm the darkest. There. We're gonna cover that. And then just with what is left on my brush, go a little bit lower. So I kind of marry the blush with the concealer. Okay. With just a little bit of a concealer, I find that the whole face looks so much better. It's like fresh and alive. By the way, I know there will be questions about what I have on my lips. I just have like a clear lip balm. Like there's nothing groundbreaking about this. It's just a clear lip gloss from NARS. Oh, gloss. It's a lip balm. Clean cut Afterglow lip balm. Okay, so we've got 4 products. 5. Okay, already feeling so much better about how this is going. Already feeling and looking a lot better. I have to set the makeup because the trick about a summer breathable look is to use thin layers and then to set it with setting spray. Powder is important, but right after you're done with everything cream, it's super important to set. Now, I might have like 1 drop of this Charlotte Tilbury. I'm just gonna go buy it right after this video because this is one of the best. Why? It keeps the glow of your skin, but it sets the makeup in place in the same time. Oh, I'm out. And we fan. Now we have to set. And if you don't set at least your concealer, I promise you your makeup is just not going to last. Especially if you are like me, you have wrinkles around the eyes. It will set in the fine lines and wrinkles. So I use a powder puff. This one is quite damaged. They all break after the first wash, at least the ones that I get from Amazon. Put it in the powder. This is the most natural looking powder on the market in my opinion. This is Makeup by Mario. And we're gonna check to see if the concealer didn't crease, and then immediately set the concealer, set this area because it looks really bad with the shine, and a little bit the chin. And because you don't have a lot of base on, you don't have a lot of foundation. I mean, you have no foundation at all at this point. No foundation, no other product on the skin. When you apply powder, it's not going to look cakey or dry. The thing about powder is the more you have underneath, the thicker the foundation is, or the more products you have, like foundation, concealer, and then you put powder, the more cakey and dry it's going to look. But if you have just like one product, I don't like a greasy forehead. Who does? Look how natural the base is. So I'm not going to use anything on my eyebrows, just this eyebrow gel, and I'm going to have them brushed up like so, so it gives the illusion that they're thicker than they are. I love this product. This is from LH Cosmetics and it's called the Brow Wax. And as you can see, it's not shiny, which is something I love. And it holds my eyebrows in place. Okay. I'm not going to do much for the eyes. I'm going to show you two options. One is this beautiful, like very pale lavender you could apply. It's not too much color, but it's fun, you know, and it just brightens your face. And the second one is a more champagne. Of course, I'm going to use a more champagne because that's just my vibe. That's just my vibe. And I'm going to apply this strategically at the base of the lashes, like so, inner corner. So it looks kind of like wet, like this. And I'm also going to apply it here, wherever the light hits my mobile lid. Here, inner corner, right? Because this is so long lasting. But I don't want to apply it everywhere. You could totally apply it everywhere, but my eye shape is weird. And I really like things to be applied just at the base of my lashes. I don't blend because I think it looks really nice the way it is. Maybe just a little bit with my finger. Mascara, oh, how important. Mascara in the summer melts on me. I always get mascara here if it's not this. This is the most long-lasting mascara on me. I just want you to see what this mascara does with just a few swipes. Okay, so I already did one swipe. Second swipe. Third and fourth. That's enough. That's enough. Also, can we talk about how long the lashes have grown? It's the lash serum from Swede. It's really working, that stuff. I'm sorry, I didn't believe it. The team from Swede tried to send me the product like years ago. And I received it, but I never really committed to it. And they really were like, listen, try it. You're gonna love it. You're gonna see it's really good for you. It has like good ingredients for you. And I was like, yeah, sure. But I still have to try like 150 products on myself. So the last thing I wanted to try was a lash serum and commit to it, because you do have to commit to it in order to actually work. And I did this year. I started to use it in like May, on and off for like the first 3 weeks of using it. And then I saw that it's working, so I started to use it every night on the lower lashes. But this is my trick for those of you whose makeup melts right here. I got you covered. You're gonna take a blending brush, small. You're gonna take your loose powder. The first thing you're going to do is apply an extra thin layer of powder exactly where those lashes might be touching your skin if you are having movement. And then you take a little bit more powder, okay, on the tip, and you're gonna push the tip of your lower lashes in this powder. Try this trick. I'm not done with the skin. We're still going to apply this gorgeous blush. I realized I like this shade in particular, number 44. This one has a little bit of a shimmer to it. That's another reason why I like it, because when it has a tiny little bit of shimmer, it adds luminosity. So with this brush, this is not available yet. Taking a little bit of this. So good, this blush. This is exactly my placement on my bone structure. If I were to sit in the sun, I get red right here. I do this like redness right here. Try to apply the blush wherever you naturally blush. I have a friend of mine, she's a content creator. Her name is Sabina Sokol. She places the blush like right here. And that's where naturally she would get flushed. Like if it's hot or if it's like too cold. This is where she gets super red. Whenever I see her and she has makeup on, she always have her blush here, and it doesn't look weird because that's where naturally she is blushing. This is what I'm going to be using on the lips because I know this is super long lasting. It's from NARS, and you can find this in my bundle, or you could buy it separately. For those of you who don't know, I've created a bundle with NARS Cosmetics to create like the perfect soirée type of makeup. It has 4 different products, and this is included in the shade of your choice. Today I'm going to be using Viva Las Vegas, and it's this, look, it's this very, very pretty color for summer. And yes, I've applied it on top of the lip balm because I want that kind of hydrating look. Now what I do is I took a brush, I blend the edges so that I have that La Bouche Mordue effect. Now the reason why I like these lips with this undone touch, it's more natural, it looks more effortless. I'm gonna go with another round of powder because I don't like this on me. I think this is perfect for summer. A little bit of color. My hair can touch my face. It's not going to be sticky. That's what I love about a makeup look. Now, if you want your makeup to be like waterproof, you want to go in the pool with this look, I strongly recommend you this. This is the small version of the one size on Til Dawn setting spray. When I tell you this is the weapon to use during summer, I'm not kidding. But don't use it every day because I don't know what kind of ingredients it has, but it's not allowed to be sold in Europe, which means there must be something questionable in this. And this is my easy, breathable makeup look for an everyday summer. This is going to be kind of like my uniform when I'm going to be on vacation soon, hopefully. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, I would very, very much appreciate a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, I know that a lot of people are watching this without being subscribed. Click on the subscribe button and join this beautiful community we have right here. If there are any questions about this look, if you want to know more about a certain product or a certain technique, I am in the comment section. So comment down below and let me know what is your struggle with makeup. Everything I've used, including the shades, are in the description down below, along with this top. This is from Haus. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.